Hi guys, welcome aboard. My name is James Longdon from Modano, and this is an introductory video just to set the scene for our scoping course. Now, this scoping course will be about kind of 20 to 30 videos just to cover off on slightly higher order skills. So this isn't so much aimed at the analyst level, it's much more of a kind of director level course. Now, in terms of what it's aiming to do, it's really looking to assist stakeholders with their scoping process. So we're going to be talking about much more kind of strategic design concepts, ideas that are looking to kind of help you create a model that satisfies its key purpose. So we'll be looking at things to avoid, common pitfalls. So we'll be trying to talk to those much more complex modeling kind of strategic aims. One thing this course isn't, it won't be talking about detailed modeling. So there'll be no calculation ideas. There'll be kind of intermediate structural concepts. But yeah, in terms of calculations, formulas, even individual model functionalities, we probably won't necessarily be touching on. So it's a much higher level conversation. For want of a better phrase, it's basically the adults table. So if you're looking for individual guidance on calculations and things like that, then there's plenty of resources on the net to look at. One of the things that people will find amusing about this course is a lot of the time I will be stating the obvious. Now, there isn't necessarily anything wrong with stating the obvious. So a lot of what we're actually trying to achieve here is to make implicit ideas much more explicit. So what we're trying to get you to do is to think more critically about what you're trying to achieve with your model, and then to work back through kind of key structural ideas to get back to the perfect overarching model design. And probably the last thing just to note here is that this isn't designed to give you a whole stack of answers. This entire sequence of videos is much more aimed at trying to give you logical questions to be asking yourselves at all points during the development process. And the last point probably to make in relation to the overarching kind of layout and sequence of these videos is that we've tried to make them as linear as possible, going from higher order concepts through to more detailed ideas. That said, they are very nonlinear and interrelated. So in each of the instances, whenever we're talking about a certain video, there's going to be 3, 4, 5 other videos that are relevant to that topic that will give you a much more rounded way to actually address the model kind of scoping process. So there we have it. Welcome aboard. Next thing I think we're going to look at is design, don't build, which is a strange but again fundamental concept.